The eufyCam S330 3-cam kit offers exceptional 4K detail, ensuring you can spot the smallest features on any potential trespasser, day or night, thanks to its advanced photosensitive system. Equipped with an integrated solar panel, the eufyCam S330 is designed for long-lasting outdoor use, needing only 2 hours of sunlight daily to maintain its power. With local expandable storage, you have complete control over your data, offering 16 gigabytes built in and the option to expand up to 16 terabytes without monthly fees. The BionicMind AI provides an enhanced security experience by using facial recognition to distinguish between family and strangers, learning and adapting over time. You can easily manage the eufyCam S330 using voice commands through Alexa or Google Assistant, and its two-way audio and customizable activity zones add to the convenience. Made by eufy Security, this kit combines robust features with user-friendly controls, making it an excellent choice for comprehensive home surveillance.